Okay friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2015 Chevy SS in stock now. It's a local car acquired from a friend of mine. This is a manual transmission car. I believe less than 10% of these were built with manuals. It's a beautiful car, black on black. The wheels are perfect, not a scratch on the wheels, not a curb rash. No scratches on the car. The tires are fresh. We have a discount tire receipt with the certifications. So if something happens, you have the road hazard warranties that come with it. We have records with this car as well. Service records. It was just serviced. Very, very nice car. The odometer shows 77,000 miles. Looking at it, you would not think that. It really looks like it just came off the showroom floor. Very, very nice. We have all-weather floor mats all the way around. We also have the carpet mats in the trunk. This car has heads-up display. Heated and cooled seats, navigation, rear camera, park sensors, Bluetooth. Very nice car. Brembo brakes. We have 2 keys for this car. It's keyless. We have 2 fobs. LS3 motor, 415 horsepower. Fun to drive. Their last couple years have gotten kind of collectible since they don't make them anymore. It's a really well taken care of, garage kept car here. Link to the website is in the description. It's rogersmotorcars.com.